Hello friends. What should you do when you want to reset your old iPhone for sale, but forgot your Apple ID password and can't reset it? This video will show you how to reset iPhone without Apple IDs. Without further ado, let's begin. I recommend you to try PassFab iPhone Unlocker. First, run PassFab iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Select Unlock Apple ID. Then connect the iPhone to your computer. Click Start Remove. Make sure your iPhone is set with a lock screen passcode and two-factor authentication is turned on. Click to download the matching firmware. Click Start Remove. Wait for the Apple ID removal to complete. Once done, set up your iPhone. When you encounter activation lock, tap Unlock with passcode. Select Use device password to unlock activation lock. Now your Apple ID has been removed from your iPhone. That's all for today. Click the link in the description and try the PassFab iPhone Unlocker. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. See you next video.